Ever wondered how Costco, the king of bulk, manages to stay so profitable while offering you those incredible deals? Step 1 to understanding Costco's genius is its foundation, the membership fee. Unlike traditional retailers, Costco's primary profit driver isn't just selling products. It's the annual membership. Think of it as an access pass to savings. These membership fees represent pure profit. With minimal overhead, this allows Costco to operate on razor-thin product margins, a crucial part of their strategy. This brings us to step 2, product margins. Costco sells a curated selection of high-quality, branded goods in bulk quantities. By buying in massive volumes directly from manufacturers, they achieve significant purchasing power, driving down their cost per unit. They then mark these items up, but at a much lower percentage than typical retailers, often capped at around 15% on many items. This strategy focuses on volume sales to make up for the lower profit per item, creating a compelling value proposition for shoppers. And it doesn't stop there. Step 3 involves their ancillary services. Services like their gas stations, food courts, optical centers, pharmacies, and even business services are designed to be convenience hubs that keep members returning. While these services might have their own profit margins, they also serve to increase membership retention and encourage more frequent visits, indirectly boosting overall sales. So, by strategically combining predictable revenue from membership fees with low margin, high volume sales and value-added services, Costco creates a powerful business model that benefits both the company and its loyal members.